Welcome back to Navigating Cancer. I'm Dr. Joey Bennett with Wendy Hall, and today we've been spending a lot of time talking about breast cancer and the value of the Breast Cancer Support Group, the value of the program sponsored by the American Cancer Society, and so far we've had a chance to talk about the Breast Cancer Support Group. It meets the second Friday of every month.
So which is coming right up.
Coming up November the 11th and then December the 9th as well. Judy is the leader, mentor, and organizer of that support group. It's an excellent event. If you've never had a chance to come, please do so. It's at our office, the Robert Boisonneau Oncology Institute in the Allen Ridge Complex on Highway 491, and it starts at
11:30.
Starts at 11:30, and it runs anywhere from 12 to 12:30 to 1 to 1:30, depending upon how talkative they are. They meet here in our lobby, and we don't run them out of the building. We're happy for them to be there as long as they need to because it's such a valuable experience. The other thing that we've talked about thus far has been the Reach to Recovery program, which is an opportunity for a woman who's been diagnosed with breast cancer to meet with a cancer survivor who has been through everything they're about to go through ahead of time. One other program that is very important and I think that is maybe underutilized in our community is called Look Good, Feel Better.
Right.
And Look Good, Feel Better is a program again, we have at our office in Lecanto. We have one coming up on November the 16th, and we have another one coming up on December the 14th. And I'll let Judy kind of tell you more about what that program entails.
When the ladies are diagnosed with breast cancer or a mastectomy, whatever, Joanne Brown is head of the Look Good, Feel Better program for our area. And she gets in touch with you and asks these ladies to come in. They're invited to come in for the Look Good, Feel Better. And basically, the ladies come in and they have a whole session of makeup where the cosmetology companies give out bags, free makeup. And they can sit around and apply makeup because they want to feel better when they're going through cancer. They want to look good. And she is there to help the ladies do this and get through it. Any lady who has lost hair, they also have wigs available. I must make a statement that the wigs are from the American Cancer Society, separate. The makeup is from the cosmetology companies out there.
And I wish we had one of the bags because it's everything. And they actually are talking about your complexion. Some people are a little lighter in their complexion when they're having treatments and so on and so forth. And I can't say enough about how important it is for anyone to keep themselves up and to, have somebody that's, I mean, how many people have never had a chance to have a cosmetologist tell you about anybody ever told you how to do your makeup? No. So it's wonderful service, and I think Dr. Bennett's right. I think it is underutilized, and you can get involved with it through calling the American Cancer Society, but you can call our office because we have a class coming up November 16th.
Yep. And the other thing I think that you need to realize is that it's anywhere from 4 to 6 women. They meet in the lounge at our office. They have small mirrors. They're taught how to put on the makeup. They're taught how to wear turbans, wigs, and things of this nature. And you've got the certified cosmetologist there. They are trained for women who have had breast cancer, who lose their hair, lose their eyebrows, and things like this. And the women who come out of it, they go in there kind of quiet and tense. They watch a video. You start hearing laughter about an hour into the program, and the next thing you know, you've got a group of friends coming out of a room who have learned to deal with the side effects of the chemotherapy and the hair loss and things of this nature. So it's just a really good program. And the bag of cosmetics, literally, at least a few months ago, the value of this is almost $200 for what is in this bag of cosmetics. So it's a great opportunity to get a nice bag of cosmetics. It's a great opportunity to spend some time with a cosmetologist to talk to them about makeup application, things that you can do to kind of hide the hair loss. I mean, it really is a fun program for the women to enjoy. And I just don't think we use it enough. And even if you haven't lost your hair, a lot of women who go through breast cancer don't necessarily have to get chemotherapy. They may not lose their hair, but the program is open for them as well, because sometimes it's that capability of sitting in a room with a group of women and just getting someone to help you feel better about yourself as you're going through a trying time in your life.
And they do, because I've done the program, I've been in it, and when they put wigs on, they laugh and they have a ball. They said, gee, I look better now than I did before with my own hair.
It's a very personal support group. It's excellent.
It's great. I just want to mention that to the ladies out there, that in most all the doctor's offices, oncology, radiation offices, the doctors have our flyers in their office to hand out to you if you need information about the support group. They have them there. So it's been updated, and please just ask and they'll give you a flyer. You'll see them on the tables so that you know what's going on. And Joanne Brown has her cards also out there.
And for any issues that you may have or things that you didn't quite catch all of, you can call our office at 527-0106 anytime, and there may be things that you'd like some more information about. We'd be glad to share. And I do want to mention a program coming up just specifically in relationship to the holidays. It's going to be November 12th, and it's especially for ladies, and it has to do with changing some of the routines and some of the schedules for the holidays, kind of downsizing a little bit. And sometimes people feel guilty about even thinking about that. But as we've said, it can be very overwhelming just dealing with the cancer situation and all the things that go along with that. So we still want to have a joyful holiday season, and anybody who might be interested in that, you can find out more information about by calling us at 527-0106.
That program is going to be on November the 12th, which is a Saturday. It's going to run from about 10 a.m. until noon. It'll be in the lobby of our office here in Lecanto. So great program. It'll be the first time we've done this. Wendy is spearheading this. Holidays are tough for cancer patients, for cancer survivors, for family members as well. And sometimes that burden thrown on top of all the stress that you're dealing with can make things very, very hard. So I think it's going to be an excellent program. We got a few other things coming up. One, the prostate cancer support group will continue to meet the first Wednesday of every month. Again, anyone who has had prostate cancer, has prostate cancer, or is interested in learning more, you're more than welcome to come. Lunch is provided, and we would love to have your spouse or significant other attend with you. So a lot of things going on.
Yes, and Dr. Bennett was away, and Judy and I were busy in the office on Halloween, and so we just want to show some of our wonderful staff here at RBOI. Judy actually came in and took some pictures that day, and wonderful people. Wizard of Oz, the real wizard wasn't there. He was gone, but Dr. Brandt was there, and so we had a lot of fun, and all of our patients really enjoyed it, and we missed you being there.
Judy, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Thank all of you for tuning in to Navigating Cancer, and we'll see you next week.